Hey, what is up, everyone? This is Cyrex Capital, and welcome to a new trade breakdown. Right now, guys, yesterday I know I didn't post I didn't post yesterday's trades, right? But that's for good reasons, right? But I basically came to the decision that I'll be doing these trade breakdowns every 2 to 3 days, so that you guys can slightly get a much larger picture, because if I show you guys trade breakdowns every day, it's going to make more sense if like, let's say I take 2 days worth of trades, right? Let's say on average that is about maybe 2 or 3, right? Now, even for you guys, it's going to make more sense once I explain the progress of those trades, right? And the progress will be significant, right? Or yeah, man, the progress will be significant because it's going to be the results of, like, on average 3 trades, right? Every 2 to 3 days, as I said. Right, but yeah, man, it's still in the morning. The time is about 11 o'clock, if not to 11. Right, but yeah, man, I just took a shower and I'm fresh. My trade, right? I'm not sure how long my trade lasted, right? But I took the trade and then I went on to do something else. And yeah, man, a couple of minutes, not a couple, but yeah, it wasn't more than an hour, I'm sure, right? I heard my alert and then I went to go take a shower, right? The alert was for the trade, right? That it did hit take profit, and then I went to go take a shower. So yeah, man, without wasting any of your time, let's go on to the charts. Yeah, man.
Guys, so it's not 11 yet, right? It's not 11 yet, but these are the trades 1, 2 that I took yesterday, and this is the trade that I took today, right there, right? So let me just start off by breaking down the 2 trades that I took yesterday, right? So as you guys can basically see that I removed the indicators, which was the moving average, which I rarely use. So yeah, man. So as you guys know, I start at 8 in the morning Standard South African time to trade, right? So when I basically saw price trending down, right? Because as you can see, price is heading down. So I was kind of like expecting the same thing, because as you guys can see, price was breaking structures. Just move this. Breaking structures, indicating that price is going down. So that was the initial trade idea that I had. I was basically looking for a continuation. So when price dropped right here, right, and created what? A break of structure right there, I used this as a zone to trade from. So when I saw this rejection from this order block, right, followed by a CISD, which is my entry model, I entered, right? As you can see, price went into a little bit of profit, right? Now on my Alpha Capital accounts, no, on my personal account, right? On my personal account, I took partials off here because I saw that the position size was a little bit big, right? So I took a little bit off here so that if price does reach my stop loss, it's going to be 5%. So my trade copier used a slightly higher lot size. So yeah, man, I basically saved myself here from big loss. So when price flipped, as you guys can see, price flipped, right, indicating that it's going up, or it wants to go up. So I was looking for an entry when it did that, right? let me basically show you. So price created a CISD, a big one right here, right? You can also see that price created one here, right? But I was basically looking at this big one right here. Yeah, this order block right here. So I basically use both order blocks in that range, whether it's a bullish or a bearish, you know, because I know that price tends to trade away from order blocks. Doesn't matter whether it's a bullish or a bearish order block, right? I just basically use it the same. So when price rejected, right, this zone, which is my order block or OB, right? When price rejected it, I entered on that CISD, right? So this candle was the rejection candle and my entry candle. I entered right there and followed by the next candle, which took me out. Right, took me out right there. And yeah, man, let me just show you the trade that I took today. So when I take 2 losses, right, I do stop trading because there is no need for me to carry on trading, because my rules clearly state that if I take 2 losses, I stop trading, or if I take 1 win, I stop trading. All right, let me just basically show you this trade. So 8 o'clock was here, right? So when 8 o'clock came, I saw that price was already shifting, right? Because it was consolidating within this zone right here. So when it broke out of this zone, right, I waited for price to come back for that continuation. Rejected, I entered on what? On that CISD. Price rejected this level. As you can see, this big candle with a long wick, right? Entered on that CISD, put my stop loss at that rejection candle, right? Placed my stop loss and my take profit. Okay, on my funded account, right, I think when I placed the trade, my stop loss was like way up there, right? It was way up there, and I meant to adjust it, because I did set it, or I did adjust it on my Fusion Markets account. So by the time I left, when I came back, price was like 1:1.8, somewhere around about here, right? Somewhere around about there, and I closed the trade, right? Okay, let me just basically show you guys. Okay, let me basically show you guys what happened. So as you can see, do you see where this candle is, right? Look at this candle. So if you take a look at the trading history, so this account has mixed results, because I recently changed to the new strategy, right? But I'm basically getting a hang of the new strategy. So as you can see here, these are the 2 trades that I took yesterday, right? 2 losses, and this is the trade that I took today, right? I could have gotten more, but yeah, man, a win is a win. I'm still new to trading this strategy, so complications are to be expected, and this account is not a zero spread account. So yeah, let me just basically show you my personal account, right? Now this account is basically where it was more or less on Monday, right? yesterday I took these two losses. I took these two losses, and today I took this trade, which is currently the biggest trade on this account, right? Which is currently the record trade on this account. So as you guys can see over here, right, I did try and attempted the first time, attempt to trade a $10 account, and it went into drawdown to like a dollar, and then I deposited let me see, then I deposited $10, as you can see. It's right there, right? So all these trades down here, right, is the trades from the $10, right? So this number is supposed to be more, right? But yeah, man, I'm basically up 7.88% on this account. Let me just show you the metrics, right? So I did try, right? I was basically trading my other strategy. It basically went into a losing streak, right? And the account was at $1. Deposited some money, and the account was at $10, at $11.10, and I've been trading this account from around the 10th of Jan. Yeah, traded it. This was on Monday, and this is today, right? As you can see, I'm still recovering from these losses. That's why it's saying negative 10% right there, right? I have $2 left before I can make back what I lost, right? But yeah, as you can see here, I've taken 49 trades with a win rate of 44%, which is like 45. My average loss at $74. Here's the trade, right? So here it says an hour. But yeah, $3, as you can see, best trade was today, right? Let me just show you my alpha capital. So here I have 3 accounts, right? So these 2 are basically toast. Then ICU, this one I reached, but I did tell you guys I reached my maximum drawdown, and then this one is $8 away from breaching it. So there's basically no point in trading this account. I'm just gonna let it breach itself with the inactive days. But yeah, this is the account that I'm trading on. Win rate is at 40%. This one also has mixed results. I'm having trouble with the spreads and everything, because these are how my green days are supposed to look, $70 and above, but I'm reaching like 40, 12, 18, but I do know what happened on these days. So it's calm, man. It's calm. So if you can look at over here, January was a green month for me, and Feb also will end in a green month. So yeah, man, this was today's trade breakdown. So yeah, guys, as always, it's your boy Cyrex Capital. I will see you on the next one. Yes, sir.